Bloggineers, this is our Utah series. In this episode, we will be river rafting and eating at Silver Star Cafe. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notifications button so you won't miss a video. Today we're going river rafting with All Season Adventure. This company offers the longest half-day whitewater rafting trip on the Weber River. First, we're putting on our life preservers. Then an instructor briefed us on some rules. Then we're off to the river. Mr. Chris will be our guide for the day. I'm climbing into the boat. And here we go. We're going on an 8.5-mile river run that has a great mixture of Class 2 rapids and calm stretches. And we will be providing the paddle power. Brother, are you getting the hang of this? Navigating through the boulders leading to the calmer water below. We're going under a bridge that has many bird nests. Cars were placed along the riverbanks to prevent erosion. Here comes another bridge. Oh look, I see a sheep. Now I'm going to ride the boat by sitting in the front of the boat. Here comes a rapid. Speeding things up. Here comes a wave. Water is splashing out from the bottom of the raft. Mr. Chris pointed out an eagle's nest up on the tree. Now we're entering the Red Sandstone Canyon section, which is home to the Rock Garden. Our tour guide calls this section Pinball Alley. Brother is sitting on the side of the boat so he can put his feet in the water. We're approaching another bridge, but this one has got a very low overhead. Everybody get ready to dock. The Devil's Slide, one of the most unique rock formations in northern Utah. Brother, be careful so you don't fall. Time for an epic slow-mo. Now Mr. Chris is teaching me how to steer the raft. On for the dip. Now we're entering a section that Mr. Chris calls Killer Pillars. We made it out alive. We're going backwards. And now the grand finale. Let's raise our paddles for a successful adventure. Book your tour at allseasonsadventures.com. We are at Silver Star Cafe. This is an intimate, award-winning, upscale rustic restaurant that was featured on the Food Network. There's even live music on select nights. The kids' menu has great selections, and brother and I both ordered the seared flat iron steak. It looks very good. My dad got the pork ossobuco, and my mom ordered the wild mushroom stroganoff. Brother, that's not how you're supposed to eat the steak. My mom is helping us cut the meat. I'm having a bite of the steak. The steak is savory and juicy. Brother is enjoying his meal, and so are my parents. Now I'm going to try some of my dad's pork dish. The pork is very tender and soft. I'm gonna eat the yellow carrot. We finished our meal and we're so stuffed. Except for brother, he still has room for dessert. I'm gonna have the chocolate pie. We had a yummy time here. Make your reservation at thesilverstarcafe.com. Plan your trip at visitparkcity.com. Special thanks to Park Regency Resort for returning my dad's iPhone charger that he left behind. Stay tuned for Lehigh with Kids. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to look for your own adventure.